I have the best viewers. You know what I did yesterday? I spent the whole day in front of the computer screen reading and replying to your comments on my last few videos. Wow. Thank you. There's some heartfelt messages from some of you, Nicholas Momola. Words of encouragement, technical advice. Some of you have contributed to this project. Thank you. This has propelled all of this along much quicker. That's just snow and ice falling off the roof as the sun beats down upon it. All good. I have a couple of things to do in the shop to get things ready. I'm going to move a workbench from the north wall to the west wall so it's more convenient to transition to from the tool bench, motorcycle lift, to a bench where I can show things whenever needed. Things are going to move along quickly here, and I'm going to try to keep going with more frequent updates of what I've been doing. Thank you all. You've helped this. I have big plans, and you've helped it along. Thank you. You'll see me again very soon. Take care. Bye now.